Good morning and welcome back to my journal. Welcome back to my page. Lord, leave it to me. Today I have a journal that is done by Nevermore Creation 17, Lindsay, and this is her kit, Postage Due. This journal has 50 pages. It's 8 3/4 by 5 3/4. She's a pink, rosy finish. It's a hard cover. I made it with a fruit snack box, I believe it was. And I just have a little ribbon closure, and she is a one signature. This first page is really cute. It's out of the kit, the cover. Alright, so let's just jump right on into her. We open her up and we have, this is I think my favorite page out of the whole kit. This is a large pocket. Inside the pocket there's extra paper. That page really, and there'll be extra paper throughout the journal that came from the kit, so you can also make it your own. This here is a crocheted cluster right here. I don't know if you can see it, a crocheted cluster, and a bingo sheet, of course, with bingo. This is a wax paper pocket, a little flower on it, sticker, and here's a tag. Did a little collaging on the back with some Tim Holtz washi tape. Here we go. Here is another pocket, another tag. I did some sewing on them, collaging. Here's a book page. I did a little stenciling over here, if you can see it or not. I'm still learning this camera, so y'all have to bear with me just a tiny bit. Here's another page from the kit. This is again her Postage Due kit. It's really a pretty kit, a cute little kit. Here's an envelope from the kit, and I just stuck these two journaling cards. Here's a little paper tuck. I stuck a couple more little tags in there. Here's a fabric ruffle, and I put a little charm on the end of it. It's a little cross. So you can see it right there. I'm sorry. There you go, a little cross. Let's see, I'm not sure if make sure y'all can see this. Okay, here's another page. This is some coffee dyed paper that I did. I like it when it's like this. It's sort of grungy, grimy. Washi tape. This is a ego die right here. Here is a envelope book page. This is more Postage Due. This is a postcard. You can use it as a postcard if you like. Thought that was cute. A little yo-yo with some silk behind it. Here's a couple of journaling pages. And these are also from the kit. I just clipped them in here so you could put them where you want them and do some of this to make it more yours. Here is another envelope that comes with the kit. Here's another little charm that says love. This is one of my coffee dyed papers, and you can feel the texture on this one. It comes through like like an embossed page. Here's another page from the kit. A couple of tags. You have plenty of journaling space in this one. A little bit of stencil. This is a piece of felt right here. I made a pocket out of that card, and you can put it there. Another page. We've got some fabric tabs. Here's a book page, a ruffle. Here's another banner type, a little bit of butterflies. This is a piece of paper with cherry blossoms. I think that's what they are. This is a large file folder. This is actually a pretty page too. Here's a tag, and here's another. Here's one of those woven pockets that I wove with paper. And this right here was Artie Mae's. We have a couple of little clusters there. This is a playing card. Some red. A couple of journaling cards. Here's another side pocket with that woven paper. A ruffle. Here's another charm in here. A page from a book. The center. And in the center of this one, this come from, I think, her berry collection. I think it was Roseberry or something. I've got that in the center, and I also have this. It can hang from the top or it can hang from the bottom. And I've just got it out the top for the time being. This is Sorry Silk from Etsy. Book page. My coffee dyed paper. A ruffle. And here's a tag. And this is actually a page out of the kit. I just cut it out and put some cardstock on the back so it would hold up, and the tag just slips in behind it. I've always grabbed this thinking it was the tag, and it won't come out. Some more of that felt I just put in there. A little texture, a little different, something different. This is the other half of that page that I really like. I was noticing while I was in here that Lindsay left out the, what letter was it? Q, R. R? Q. No, R, S, T, U, V. She left out the V. It's all here but the V, Lindsay. And this is a napkin, Mod Podged onto a piece of paper. Another envelope with, I put some of the extras in it that are left over, and I did not seal up the envelope, but all these come from the kit. So you can seal the envelope, you can use them as you wish. Got another little side tab. That's a pretty bird. like that. And here's another envelope, a couple of journaling cards. That's that ego dyed paper. Fabric ruffle. And here's another tag. Here's the back side of that coffee dyed grungy paper that I've got. And the back, and another pocket on the side with more paper in it so you can work on it and decorate it and make it yours. So that's this video, and this was done again by Nevermore Creation 17. Her kit was Postage Due. And then I'd like to show you some of the other things in our shop. I have bead people that we're making. They make cute, they're gifts. They make cute little gifts. You can use them in your journals as charms, or you can use them hanging out of the bottom of your journal. You could use them, make bookmarks with them. These are going to be in my shop also, and they're running between $8 and $10. So if y'all would like to take a look at those, just hop right on over to my little Etsy store and they will be there. I'd like to thank y'all for taking time to watch this video. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.